I'm sitting with Mario Pedol, the president and CEO of Nauta Yachts. Mario, thank you for joining me today.
You're very welcome. It's a pleasure.
So you made headlines at Nauta Yachts this year by working with Peter Lursen on the world's largest yacht, Azzam. What can you tell us about this record-breaking yacht?
We have been asked to design this yacht, to take care of the exterior design 5 years ago by the owner. It was obviously an incredible excitement to be in charge of this. It has been a fantastic experience during the years, and working with a building partner like Lursen is, I guess, one of the most desired.
Do you think the sizes will just keep growing and growing and growing, and that's the trend? That will be the trend?
No, I think, I mean, it can go bigger, I mean, go up to 200 meters, whatever. But this would be just a niche, I believe, because the more you go bigger, the less you can, you lose a lot of freedom in where you can go, in the places where you can anchor.
Do you think that, as far as just achieving the actual 200 meters super yacht, that this is feasible?
Absolutely. Well, that's
in the next 5 years?
Possible. Well, that's the minimum you need to design and build such a size. And actually, I would say another record from Lursen Shipyard has been that they achieved to build Azzam in only 4 years from the contract signature.
What do you forecast in the future of large yacht design?
Well, what I see is a trend towards more attention to the environment, but not only in terms of eco-compatibility, but also how to share on a yacht with the environment. So whereas in the 20 years before, the whole competition was in interior volume and styling and fancy interior decor. Now I see a trend where the clients want to enjoy the environment. And this is exactly coping with our philosophy, where since 7-8 years that's exactly what we envisage and what we like to provide in our design. A strong connection between interior and exterior, and a priority to the outdoor living.
Well, congratulations on Azzam and all of your success, Mario, and thank you for taking the time to speak with us today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.